Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Deborah Hudson with Smooth Moves by Design. I'm the founder, creator of this new trend in moving, which is completely 100% stress-free if you choose that route. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of moving companies. And we have all the pros in our companies, but you hear about those cons out there and you hear horror shows. So stick around, click below, follow the notes, and ring the bell. I'd love to talk to you all about pros and cons of moving companies. Thanks so much. Using a cheap moving company can have several disadvantages. Number one, lack of professionalism. They don't employ full-time professionals. Number two, they have inadequate insurance. These companies might offer the minimum insurance, which is 60 cents a pound. If they damaged your refrigerator, they would pay you $165. It's terrible. Number three is poor quality equipment. That costs time, maintenance on the vehicles, increasing the risk of damage to your possessions. It's not good. Number four, hidden cost. While the initial quote may be low, but cheap moving companies often add hidden fees for additional services. And that only results in higher overall costs than anticipated. Number five, lack of specialized services. These companies do not offer specialized handling for any of your valuables or fragile items. So that increases the risk of damage to antiques, artwork, electronics. They don't move pianos. And their scheduling, this is the biggest one, their scheduling, they overbook and they fail to come to your house when they tell you they will. They'll put lots of jobs in on one day. Number seven is customer service. They don't have anybody that answers the phone. It's usually the driver, and they have poor communication and responsiveness, and if they're busy, they won't answer the phone because they don't have someone in the office. Number eight is damage to your belongings. With less care, obviously, they don't wrap them properly, they don't shrink wrap them properly, and things can get damaged in the move. Number nine, limited services of cheap moving companies. They don't offer comprehensive services like packing, storage, piano moving, so you're just kind of taking the risk in your own hands. Scams sometimes are low-cost movers. They operate unethical. You've seen them all over YouTube and on Google. They disappear with your items. They charge you big fees in the very beginning as a deposit. So don't go on the internet and go give somebody $4,000 for your deposit on your move, because you may never see any of your valuables. You don't have to do that with a high-end company. So these low-end companies, they just lead you to believe one thing and they do something else. So cheap moving companies also hire day laborers. You don't want day laborers in your home. That's not what you're thinking of. Using a luxury moving company offers several advantages. Number one is high-level professionalism and expertise. Luxury moving companies employ highly trained professionals in their interior work or in the field. Their expertise ensures that even the most delicate and valuable items are packed, transported, and unpacked safely. Hey, number two is the comprehensive services that they offer. These companies offer a range of medium services, including packing and unpacking, furniture assembly and disassembly, custom crating for fragile items, and the installation of electronics. The comprehensive approach simplifies the entire moving process, and it really ensures it's being taken care of in the right way. Specialized handling is unbelievable because they are equipped to handle special items, fine art, antiques, pianos, wine collections. They do custom packing materials, and their techniques to ensure that these items are transported safely and securely is unmatched. Number 4, technology and some of the equipment that the high-end moving companies use. They use state-of-the-art equipment and technology for tracking, transporting, and for your belongings. They have GPS on their trucks, and this ensures safe and efficient handling of all your items. Number 5, they have insurance. This is a big one. Protection for you. Luxury companies specialize in having comprehensive insurance options for you, covering your belongings. The cheap movers only give you 60 cents a pound, so you don't ever want that. That's the reason why you use a luxury mover. You can have $6,000 or whatever, and cover your items up to $30,000, up to $100,000. None of that matters. You can pick and choose, and the price is really very good. Another thing about this is that the personalized approach ensures that your specific needs and preferences are met throughout the moving process. It's attention to detail that the luxury movers pay meticulous attention, and that ensures that every aspect of your move is handled with precision. From the initial planning to the final unpacking, they strive to provide that in as a seamless and stress-free as possible experience. Time efficiency, they're good. They know what they're doing. They work on speed, but they have wrapped all of your furnishings and everything has been blanketed, and so it is a really professional service to use a luxury move. So I highly recommend that, because if you want to allow to be settled into your new home faster, use a luxury mover. The customized moving plans that the luxury movers offer are tailored moving plans to suit your requirements. Whatever your needs are, they can develop a customized plan, and just to ensure that it's an efficient move, regardless of the complexity of it. That's what I love. Storage solutions, unbelievable. They have the best storage solutions, and you'll have to watch another one of my videos to understand about storage solutions and what not to do and what to do. Make sure that you store your items, if you need storage, with a high-end luxury mover. In talking about this, luxury movers have high quality, and they're going to make it a stress-free experience because they're a comprehensive company and they're personalized. And that's what you want. You want personalized customer care throughout your move, no matter what happens. So click the link below, follow for more tips about moving, because my name is Deborah Hudson, and I have a company called Smooth Moves by Design, and we are a luxury personalized moving service. I can help you, but I want to tell you about cheap movers and why not to have them. Okay, thanks so much.